Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Magnolia Cookbook is probably one of the most anticipated cookbooks of the year, and for good reason. This cookbook is packed with Joanna Gaines' favorite recipes, from comforting classics to fresh, new creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this cookbook offers something for everyone, with beautiful photography and easy-to-follow instructions that will inspire you to create delicious meals for your loved ones. Number 5. Mario Party Superstars, US version. Get ready to revisit the fun. This game features 5 classic boards from the Nintendo 64 Mario Party games. It's a blast from the past, ready for a new generation. Test your skills in 100 minigames from the entire Mario Party series. There's something for everyone, whether you're a seasoned player or new to the party. Connect with friends and family, no matter where they are. All game modes are available to play online, so the fun never stops. Don't worry about losing your progress. Matches in board game mode save after each turn, both locally and online. You can always pick up where you left off. You have options for how to play. You can use a single Joy-Con controller, 2 Joy-Con with the Joy-Con grip, a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, or even a Nintendo Switch Lite system. What we like? This game brings back the nostalgia with classic boards from the Nintendo 64 era. It also lets you compete with friends online, no matter where they are. If you're looking for a fun, family-friendly game night, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The mini-games are fun. The boards are classic, the mini-games are addictive, and the nostalgia hits harder than a red shell. The graphics are crisp, the controls are smooth, and the variety keeps it fresh even after hours of play. Number 4. MAJESTIC Pure Himalayan Salt Body Scrub. This scrub is made with 100% pure and natural ingredients. It is free from toxins, additives, and any harsh chemicals. This ensures you get the best possible results. Infused with lychee oil and sweet almond oil, it's a great solution for your body and soul. It helps detoxify your skin and boosts its hydration levels. This scrub gently exfoliates, removing dead cells, toxins, and dirt. It helps to give your skin a toned and smooth appearance. The scrub comes in a large tub, making it easy to scoop out the amount you need. You can use it whenever you want for a refreshing experience. Using the best ingredients and practices, this product is of the highest quality. It's perfect for your self-care routine, aromatherapy, or even as a gift. What we like? This scrub uses pure and natural ingredients for a gentle yet effective exfoliation. It deeply cleanses and moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. If you have dry or dull skin and want a spa-like experience at home, you should consider this. What people say. This scrub smells absolutely amazing. The scrub itself works great. I could immediately feel the difference on the rough areas I had on my body. It was smooth afterwards. I love how it also leaves the almond oil on my skin afterwards. It feels so smooth, moisturized, and soft even though it has exfoliated my skin. Number 3. Magnolia Table, Volume 2, Recipes for Gathering. This cookbook is a collection of recipes perfect for any gathering. It's filled with delicious dishes that are sure to impress your guests. You'll find everything you need to create memorable meals. Inside, you'll discover a wide variety of recipes. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for everyone. It's designed to make cooking enjoyable and stress-free. This book is all about bringing people together. It offers tips and tricks for hosting and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's the perfect companion for any occasion. The recipes are easy to follow, with clear instructions and beautiful photos. It features a range of flavors and cuisines. The goal is to make cooking fun and accessible. With this book, you can create unforgettable meals. It's more than just a cookbook, it's an invitation to share food and create lasting memories. It's a must-have for any home cook. What we like? This cookbook is all about bringing people together with delicious food. It offers recipes perfect for sharing and creating memorable moments. If you enjoy hosting gatherings and love heartwarming recipes, this cookbook is for you. What people say. The design and quality are amazing. It looks so elegant and high-end. The book is full of delicious recipes that are easy to follow and truly inspiring. I collect her books. Love all the recipes and notes. Number 2. Half-Baked Harvest Super Simple Cookbook. Are you looking for simple and delicious recipes? This cookbook is packed with over 125 recipes. It offers instant, overnight, and meal prepped options. Need a quick meal? This book provides many instant recipes. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you want something tasty fast. Prepare your breakfast or dinner the night before. This cookbook has many overnight recipes. It makes meal prep a breeze. Save time during the week with meal prepped recipes. This book shows you how to plan and prepare your meals in advance. It's a great way to eat healthy. Enjoy classic comfort foods made simple. This cookbook features a wide variety of easy recipes. It's perfect for any occasion. What we like. This cookbook is designed for quick and easy cooking, with options for meal prepping and comforting dishes. It simplifies your cooking routine with delicious results. If you're looking for convenient and tasty recipes for busy weeknights, you should consider this. What people say. The recipes truly live up to the super simple promise, easy to follow, minimal fuss, and packed with flavor. The step-by-step directions are clear, and I really appreciate the helpful tips sprinkled throughout. There's a wide array of foods and it offers substitutions. Number 1. Homebody, a guide to creating cozy spaces. Are you dreaming of a home that feels like a warm embrace? This guide is your key to unlocking the secrets of creating spaces you'll never want to leave. It's all about making your home a true sanctuary. This book offers practical advice and inspiration to transform any space into a haven. It provides tips on everything from choosing the right colors to arranging furniture for maximum comfort. You'll learn how to make your home truly your own. Discover how to create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere in every room. The guide explores the art of layering textures, incorporating natural elements, and using lighting to set the mood. It will help you create a space that feels inviting and relaxing. Learn how to design a space that reflects your personality and meets your needs. This book will inspire you to create a home that is a true reflection of yourself. It's about making a space that you love to be in. With this guide, you can turn your dream home into a reality. It provides the tools and inspiration you need to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. Start your journey to a more comfortable and enjoyable living space today. What we like. This book helps you create spaces you'll love to spend time in, focusing on comfort and personal style. It provides inspiration and guidance for designing a home that reflects your personality. If you like creating a cozy and stylish living space, you should consider this. What people say. From practical design tips to heartfelt anecdotes, Gaines effortlessly guides readers through the process of transforming any space into a haven. With stunning photography and accessible advice, Gaines invites readers to embrace their unique style and infuse their home with warmth and personality. There is an introduction of styles, of ways they can blend. There is real-life experience along the text whose absence in architectural books is a great sin in my opinion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.